Okay, hi, my name is Robert Cisneros. I work with Empire Roofing out of San Antonio. Well, I love the product. We love the way they look on our roofs. They work better for us as they're a little bit more costly than wood blocking. But after you run the numbers on what it costs to pay someone to go pick up 4x8s, then cut up pieces of modified to put a protection pad and then add the protection pad, this by far, it's a lot less labor intensive. They look better. They're faster to install, and we can order them from the beginning and actually price them in from the beginning of a project, which makes life a little bit easier for me as an estimator. The way a roof looks to us as a company, Empire Roofing, is as important as the quality that it was installed. And this just adds to the looks of our building. They're a lot more durable, again, less labor intensive, and by far I would highly recommend that you give them a shot, put them in your budget, and it's a win-win for everybody, the customer, the estimator, and along down to the guys in the field installing them.